Welcome to today's video where I'm going to share with you an awesome AI method to start making money online and from home. Now I used to do a variation of this method probably about 10 years ago. It's a while ago now, I'm old. So let me share with you the old method, then I'll share with you the new method you can use going forward with this. So over on eBay, many years ago, I used to sell these different CDs and DVDs that basically you could copy and bet. Well, you could buy a CD and then send it off to your buyers. So if I scroll down here, you can see we've got this one here, Vintage Christmas Bumper Card Making CD-ROM. If we come further on the page here, we've got lots on here. Look, Spring and Easter, all of these ones. Look, paper crafting. Now, how it works is, or how it used to work, is you would go ahead and buy something like this item over here, and it will show you. If we go on here, I'm expecting we'll see lots of images. You can see on here we've got 350 unique sheets. These are paper sheets. We've got 3D decoupage, and you can see how the images look over here and also what you'd expect on your CD. So what I used to do with this method was I would buy these different CDs. I would then take parts from each one, and then I'd make my own unique CD, and then I would sell that CD, okay? But moving forward now, especially in in the world of AI, we can do this so much quicker, and we can do it for free. So we used to do this. We also used to sell, I'll show you this one, we used to sell clip art. So if I'll show you this as well. But come on here, and we just scroll down. Look, let's come down here. So in fact, let's type in clip art CD, like so. And again, I know people are doing this. Look, clip art, this one. There's lots on here. Look, hunting and fishing clip art. I mean, that's very expensive, but there's a huge marketplace for this. So if I come over on to, let's go on to Etsy. You can see I've just typed in clip art images. There's 33,000 people a month searching for clip art images, which is insane. Now if I scroll down here, you've got lots of examples like here, a horse PNG. Scroll further on the page, we've got witches, what is that, Star Wars. And then we have like floral clip art, and all this clip art images for absolutely anything. So if we're going to any one of the, I mean, look at this summer clip art pool party. Let's just click on here and see what we would get if we was to go ahead and buy this, okay? So we get a watercolor. It's PNG. So these are all PNG files, so a digital download. So look over here. So what happens is I would get 3 digital files, i.e. a PDF. Now inside of that PDF over here, if we have a look, we can see the sorts of images. Let me get rid of that. You can see the sorts of images. So like this example here, we would get what is that? A pink flamingo. And then we've got what else have we got on here? Let's come a bit further down. So we saw some puffins up here. And basically, there we go, there's the one with all of them. So there are all of the clip art images. And you might be wondering, why would anybody want to buy clip art images? Well, they do this for a number of things. You can create crafting sheets with this. You can people work on little projects. They use this for print on demand, creating their own designs, planners, and lots more. But essentially, we'd get 46 items. And you can see on here, look, there's lots of, I mean, the feedback for this is unbelievable. And if we scroll up here, we can see 5 views in the last 24 hours. Let's go over to their shop and just have a quick nosy at this. Then I'll show you how you can do this completely for free. So I mean, look, they've had 8,000 sales in the shop, and it's all clip art, which is crazy, isn't it? So let's have a look at this Christmas and New Year clip art. And again, in here, look, we get 32 elements. This one over here, 23 elements of snowflakes, etc. So we know there's huge potential with this market. The fact that people, we've got, what was that up here? 33,000 clip art. There's 33,100 people a month are searching for clip art images. Let's type in Christmas and let's see what that brings up. So 135 people a month are searching for that exact keyword there, clip art images for Christmas. So you can create these using AI software for free. Now, lots of people would recommend Midjourney, but that costs you at the bare minimum $10 a month. If you want a free resource to create these images for you, then you can use this website over here, which is called Blue Willow AI. This launched a few months ago. It's currently, you can see here, look, it's all free. So you can come over here and create an account completely for free. It takes you over to Discord. Once you're inside of there, it looks like this, okay? Now, it might seem a little bit overwhelming, but it's really simple. You create an account for free. Over here, it gives you the guidelines to what you need to do. And then if you scroll down here, once your account's verified, and it's literally a case of, I'll show you, you click on verify, you click the link, and you're verified. It's as simple as that. And then you can go into these different rooms down here. And basically in these rooms, you will see people are creating all of these. Well, people are not creating them. The AI software is creating these images. And how it works is you put in some text, like someone's put this in here, and then it will create an image for you. So in this example over here, we can just go with some clip art. And I've literally, you can see here, we've got 14,500 results in this survey alone for clip art. And you can see someone here has typed in ice cream clip art, watercolor by Thomas, clip art, solid background. Here's an example. So if I click on there now, we can see what it looks like. If I scroll forward on the page here, we've got another one. And there's lots of examples of this inside of the software. Now, if you want to go ahead and get it to create something for you, you click on the bottom here and you press / like so. And then imagine, or you can just click on here, and then you would type in what you would want it to create an image for you. So you would type in something like clip art. And again, what you can do is you can go through and have a look at what other people have created inside of here. And then you can just, once you're happy with it, you just click on enter, and it will go ahead and create that image for you. Now, the thing is, at this moment in time, this is absolutely free. So once you click on this and you hit on the enter, it will take anywhere from a minute to 4 minutes to go ahead and create this for you. So I'm not going to do that and keep you waiting around here. But how it works is once you've gone ahead and you've done this, and let's just say, for example, we've entered it in and we've got this image over here. This is the image and we're happy with this. What we would do is, like that, we would right click on it and we'd click on save image as. So you'd save the image. So let's just type in clip art, like so. It goes down here. And then if we come back over here onto Etsy, like in, well, any example really. So if I just go into any of these, let's just click on this one and open it up. We can see this one here gets 11 clip art images of Santa. And again, all they are doing is literally taking these images over here and putting them into a PDF file. Okay, so to do that, it's really simple. You can use, again, free software. We can use Canva for this. So we'll come over to Canva, and in here we're going to type in, for now, we're just going to really quickly, we're going to type in PDF. Okay, and we'll click on no thanks, and it's going to bring up all of these different templates. Now you can play around with this as much or as little as you like, but it's a pretty straightforward process. So inside of here, let's just go with, let me just go with this as an example, okay? So really quickly, I'm going to come in here, and it's all editable, okay? So let me get rid of this thing up here. I'm just going to click on new page, okay? So let me get rid of this one. Let me get rid of this one, and this one, and this one. So this here is my PDF, okay? So let's get rid of that. So now I want to include the clip art that I've created. So I come on here, I go to uploads, I upload a file, and then I'm going to upload. Let me click on here, scroll down and find that one we've just done, which was clip art. I've spelled it wrong. So we upload our clip art image into Canva like so. Once it's uploaded into Canva here, I can drag it over here, and this will become one of however many clip art packages or bundles I am putting together. If I click on here, I can bring it over here like so. I can expand it as big or as small as I like to fit this page over here. Now inside of Canva, what I can do is, if I don't want the background, so I want it to be just this over here, I can actually come on here and I can click on edit photo, and then I can click on background remover. Now I do have the pro account on Canva, so it's $120 for the year, which is incredible value. But if you don't have $120, you can just go online. You can go to a website called Remove. I'll show you now. You can go over to this website and just type in Remove BG, this one here, and it's really simple. You just take the image that you have got from Willow, you upload it. Was it Willow? Sorry, Blue Willow. Yeah, you take the image that you've downloaded from Blue Willow. You can come over to this remove.bg and it will go ahead and remove the background for you. Really straightforward and simple. So all you do here is you upload your image and then it will remove the background for you, and it's free. Once you've removed your background image, you can then come over to Canva and continue here. Or if you do have the $120 for the year, for the pro version, the yearly one, then you can just go with this how I'm doing this now. But basically that there would be image number one. So if I want to then create a new page, I would go down here. And all I would do here is, take these images and I would build them out, and I would see over on Etsy what people are selling, how much they're selling it for, and how many images they're including. And once I'm happy with all of this, I would go ahead and list that item over on Etsy. And you don't just have to sell these items over on Etsy, as we saw over here. You can even go and sell them on eBay. You can sell them on Amazon if you really wanted to. You could sell them on your own website. You could drive traffic from Pinterest to this. There's lots and lots of ways that you can do this. But the fact that you can go ahead and use free software like this to create this is just awesome. And I mean, look at the screen now. People are going crazy in here, having the software create all of these different images. And it's just interesting. Sometimes I just sit here and look at what people are creating. And yeah, you can spend a lot of time just sitting here looking at what's going on. So you can even scroll through and see the previous ones. But why I like this method is this software is free, so it will create these absolutely for you. You then take the image and you put it over into Canva. Again, absolutely free. If you don't have the paid account and you want to continue on the free version, so you can get a free Canva account, you can take the images over to remove.bg. Once it's removed the image, we then just come over to Canva and we upload our images on here, and you can create as many or as little as you like. Once you're happy with this, you click on share, come down here to download, and then it says PDF standard. You don't want to go with that. You want to go with PDF print, best for printing, because obviously people are going to be printing these items off and then cutting them out and playing around with them. So once you're happy with that, you'd come up here and you would click on the download button, put it to PDF print, and then click on download, and then it would download and it would go down here for you. And that's just a really simple and easy way that you can use AI to make money. You can do this for colouring pages. So I've seen people doing colouring pages in here. You can do this. There's lots of ways that you can monetize this piece of AI software. There's so many different ways. I could do about 20 different videos on this off the top of my head. And yeah, I think would be barely touching the surface. But look, that's today's video. That is an incredibly easy and free AI side hustle that anybody can do. It will just take a little bit of time and effort. So yeah, if you like that and you like more resources for earning online and working from home, you can come over to the website and go through all of the different articles we've got. So that's it. Take care, and I'll see you soon.